All right, here we are on another episode of Tasty Tuesday. We look a little bit different today. We're not in the Toyota Tundra today, but I get messages from our team every single week about when am I going to get to go to Tasty Tuesday. So I thought this Tuesday we would go to Sheila's Bakery down on Georgia Avenue and have kind of like a taste test of all their delicious pastries. That is Sheila's Bakery down on Georgia Avenue, and look at all this. Oh my! So we normally have team training Thursdays, and I bring in some pastries every now and then, and everybody kind of picks their favorite, and so we're gonna go. So I've already called.
I want one of those.
I've already called a beef and cheddar. Who wants?
Those are delicious.
The lemon poppy seed are delicious. The berries and cream.
I think we're gonna cut them up so we can all share.
Yes.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. So
What's that one? Yeah, what's that one?
that's a regular cinnamon roll. That is a caramelly. That is a southern sticky bun. Yes. So y'all dig in. Like just don't.
All right, the one that y'all just really, I think we should slice that one up.
Okay.
Split them up. Yep.
I mean, they don't all have to be sliced up, but I'm just saying.
Split them up. She's cutting yours up. Because I'm getting a whole.
No whining. No whining. There is a lot of stuff.
Alright, so Tracy wants a beef and cheddar.
I want a beef and cheddar.
And I don't even know how to say it. What's it called? You
Kolache.
said Kolache. Yes. Yeah.
I don't even know what that is.
Me either.
It's that.
It might be.
It's that.
So
Yeah,
this,
but what is
It's
it?
just like dough, and it's got some stuff, like usually some meat, a piece of sausage, or cheddar, whatever.
Wow.
And some have cheese on top, some don't. But
only
some have
other one-
jalapenos on them, some don't.
the only other one I've had is from Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's?
Yes, so it was pretty
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
And then I'm not a
Yeah.
Buc-ee's fan,
We
but I do like their food.
Oh, is he?
Oh, go ahead and grab that one, Tracy.
Okay.
Grab that
Alright.
Thank you.
No.
Alright, so what else do y'all want? Y'all want to split a
Is this plain cinnamon? Or
that is plain cinnamon roll,
What's the
caramelly,
caramelly?
Hold up, don't eat it yet.
caramelly.
Oh, boy.
Don't eat it yet. Don't eat it yet.
What are you talking about?
The southern sticky.
You want a half?
Because everyone will get a piece. We'll take a bite at the
that's
same time, and then you'll rank what you think.
Yeah.
I already know what I'm thinking.
Alright.
Sorry.
Well, you already had it too. That hello. So you really should share.
I'm not, yo. I don't want sweet.
I really can't believe
I want
it.
I just want something yeah, you want a cinnamon roll?
Please.
Alright, so here we go. We're all gonna taste test. So bite into it and then we'll rank it.
All right. So, what did you have, and what would you rank it 1 out of 10?
I had a kolache, and I would rank that definitely a 10.
10.
Okay.
I've had
Okay.
several of them before, but
Nice.
this is delicious.
Nice, Sheila's.
All right.
I had
Sarah?
a regular cinnamon bun, and I would definitely rank it a 10.
10. All right. High scores. High scores.
Y'all a lot nicer than me and Drew.
Mm-hmm.
Southern sticky bun. True Southern taste in my mouth right now. And I'm envisioning a 10.
10. Okay. All right. All right.
Dang.
I have berries and cream, and I also
Dang.
10. Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
I don't know. What is this?
That's a caramelly.
I don't know if it's all over.
Cinnamon
It was
bun.
really good. It was very, very, very good. It was good. I don't know. I'm not good at this. This is
0
why I
to
probably-
10.
Okay, we'll just do a 10. There we go.
10. All 10s
Hold on
across
now.
the board, and let's
All of
see.
them are 10, so I'm a little bit more of a critic, but what's it called? Kolache. So this is a beef and cheese kolache, and it has a little bit of jalapeno on it. It is amazing. So I wasn't in the mood for something sweet today, even though sweets is my love language. I wasn't in the mood for something.
Yeah.
They are very generous with all 10s, okay?
No, but
me
this is good.
me and Drew are
Yeah.
very like, we'll sit in there and we'll critique the food. But I'm gonna give mine like a 9.3.
9.3.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's very close to a 10. Sheila's, thank you for always providing us great pastries for our team meetings. And we thought it'd be kind of cool to do it on a Tasty Tuesday today. So, Sheila's Bakery, downtown North Augusta, Georgia Avenue. Y'all go see them. Tell them the J Properties team
That's
sent
right.
you in
Yeah,
there.
Yes.
Totally like it.
And
And get a
y'all
kolache.
have
Get a
yeah.
kolache.
Y'all have absolutely been just blowing up our DMs, our text, commenting below with where you want us to try next. And so make sure you continue to let us know where you want us to go next. Nothing weird. Like, we always have to put that disclaimer in there. I don't want to do anything weird, but tell us where you want to go. I think we got a whole nother list today of where we're going to go. We were talking about this morning. So, But anyways, thank y'all for joining us for this Tasty Tuesday, and we will catch y'all on the next one.
Yummo.
Yummy.